So I want to talk to you about your snoring.
Talk to me.
I found a cure.
Can I ask you?
Last night you were on a tear. You were on a snoring tear.
I wanted to ask you about that because my reading said I snored for 1 hour and 2 minutes.
That's a low estimate.
Really? I was snoring. I had my tape on my mouth. I had my
you
nose.
broke through. You broke through. You broke through the tape. Didn't you? Do you remember me banging the bed? I was like.
Now I remember.
Because now my thing when he starts snoring is I go.
It used to be when we were first together. It was just kind of like this.
Yeah.
It was like this, and then it was just like this, and now it's like bang.